that, Tyler?
What's that?
Is she gonna walk them in?
Well, we're only gonna do one, so y'all can just wait out here.
You
We won't
have
be
to
very
grab
long.
your
Alright.
shoulder. You can't see.
I can't. I'm completely
We'll
blind.
go through this way. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Here you go. We gotta put this on your shirt.
Visitor tag.
The visitor tag.
Alright.
See, just says everybody coming in. Come on, I'll walk you back.
Alright.
Shoulders right here.
Where?
No, you're good. We're gonna go right
Is that your shoulder right
Yep.
there?
Come on through. We'll be right back, ma'am.
Oh, sorry about
No,
that.
you're fine, sir. We're gonna come right over here. Come on in. Just let you sit right here. There we go. Have a seat right here.
Yeah, where?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah, absolutely. Here's my card. My name is Jason Skates. I'm the captain of the Criminal Investigations Division. Here you go. Take my card. So we've got the pistol that we're going to return to you. And I just wanted to take just a couple of minutes to visit with you. I know you put in some open records requests.
Yeah.
And I want you to know that we're doing our best to accommodate you on those requests. You have to understand that there's a process that we have to go through. You very well know.
Yeah.
And then we'll get those to you, or whatever the Attorney General says.
Alright.
So, and I guess my question to you is, I know you've sent a lot of requests to us, and we certainly want to accommodate those. What can we do to try to help you with what's going on with the situation?
Well, really, with the visitation thing, hopefully I ain't gonna be able to come in here no more because like my mom and dad both are out of the facility now. So.
Oh, are they? Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
but like. So hopefully I don't gotta be coming back in here very much more.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we don't mind you coming in by any
Yeah.
stretch. I know both your parents. You said both are out of.
Yeah,
Our
they're out of
custody?
your guys' custody now.
Okay. Okay. Well, I know you've sent a lot of records requests, and I know you got frustrated, because we were trying to accommodate you and all that. And I just want you to know that we want to accommodate you. We have to follow what the law is and get the information. And also, I want you to understand that the information that you request takes a lot of time, a lot of man hours to get this stuff. And if there's something that we can do to try to help you, we certainly will. We don't mind filling all these requests, but it does take a lot of time, a lot of hours. And I don't know what you want to do with the information. Hopefully, you're not putting it out to the world on everything that you're getting. So, we're doing all the work for the right reasons. Does that make sense?
Yeah. But no, the main, like, with the request things is about the jail, too. There's a lot of complaints that came out about Daryl Carrillo and the grievance forms getting thrown away. So there's a lot of complaints and stuff I know about the jail and stuff. They're the main ones that we're trying to get them a little bit better ran because it's pretty corruptly ran over there. There's like I'll have to get on the request and find the file, but like my dad, he was there was 4 inmates that had even signed a grievance form for him because he got roughed up by a couple of officers because he had an accident on himself, and they didn't want to give him another set of clothes. They wanted him to put the ones back on that he had urinated on himself in, and he had said that he wasn't going to put them back on, and I guess they ended up putting him in the hole because of it, like that foam room. But they roughed him up because of it, and 4 inmates had signed a grievance form on it, and but then we got a response, or they got a response back that it's not a valid grievance form, because it has to be done with each inmate. They can only file a grievance form on themselves, I guess. Um, yeah, I mean, there's a lot to go through. Like, I mean, like you said, there's been a lot of records requests and stuff like that. And I have to have help doing the emails and getting all that stuff. It's hard for me to remember everything right off bat. So really, it'd be cool if we could set up a date or something to where the person that's been helping me with the emailing and stuff like that could kind of be around. Because like we said, there's been several people that we've been in touch with, like the attorney generals, the bar association, like, so there's a lot of things for me to keep up with on memory with not being able to see. So I got everything documented.
Sure.
So I don't know.
Well, I mean, I guess my question is, like, what's your end game? Like, what's your goal, your ultimate goal?
My ultimate goal is really to try to get the corruptness corrected a little bit. And I mean, even out on the street, like, I know disciplinary is a necessity. Like, if we don't have disciplinary, we would be chaotic. Like, there would be nothing, it would just be chaos. Like, I already know that. But what I would like to do, and like the end result, is see a little bit better management out of it. Because like, I reached out to several people in the jail, and that's even got me blocked on the NCIC app. For some reason, my number has keep getting changed from the number that I originally had on the NCIC app, which would have been my phone number. It got changed from my phone number to the Matagorda police number, like the police department. Okay, and I didn't even know their number until, like, I kept getting messages, because I could still receive messages, but I wasn't receiving phone calls from the inmates. And I've been blocked on the NCIC app 3 different times.
Have you ever been in our jail?
No, I have not been in Matagorda's facility, but I've had several friends that have, and I've been in Lake Jackson jail and stuff, but I don't really plan on going back to jail. Like, like, that's something I don't really, ever plan on doing.
Sure. We don't want you in jail either.
Yeah, like.
So, are you familiar with the jail standards that we, the Matagorda County Sheriff's Office, has to meet through jail standards? They come in for inspections. They come in when grievances are filed. They have to be reported under certain circumstances. Are you aware of all that?
Yeah, like, but I'm also aware of, there's been a couple of the guards that have crumpled up grievance forms and just threw them away.
When was this?
Like I said, we got it documented, but like, I need my buddy that's been helping me do the documentation stuff to go find the exact date. But
was that this year, last year?
It's been this year and last year. There's a couple people that have gotten grievance forms just crumpled up and thrown away.
Okay, I mean, that's kind of up to those individuals to refile that grievance. I mean, you don't need to be their spokesman, for the folks in jail. I mean, there's advocates out there, and I appreciate what you do. I mean, you have a kiddo out there. I'm sure you got more important things to be doing than getting people to file grievances and requesting open records. Again, we don't mind, but to me, I mean, I think that's putting a burden on you and your family that you're having to do this.
Yeah. But then again, it's like, I hear people in Matagorda about being like underfed. They're getting fed nothing but beans and rice every day, and then it's just like the everything is rough on them in there. Like I know it's in this like disciplinary is a necessity, but
Well, I mean, I can answer the question about your food. So the jail prepares a menu that is approved by the jail standards, and it's submitted to them, and they follow that meal plan that they submit to the jail. So what they submit to the jail is sufficient to be served to the inmates who are incarcerated in there. So unless you have actual knowledge of what is being fed by you being in there, really what you're just getting hearsay information. And we will be glad to share the menus with you. I have no problem with that. We want to work together with you to find out what your grievance is. And I honestly, and I sincerely mean this, we want to find out what's going on and what we can do to help you get what you're trying to get.
you have an email I can email you direct on, right?
Absolutely. My
Okay.
email is on my business card right there.
Well, there's a couple grievance forms that were responded back to that I would like to go ahead and email you to go ahead and review, because even the response back on those was really smart mouthy that's the best is disrespectful, I feel, but like I'll get those sent to you as soon as I can, because like those are some of the things that are concerning to me.
Well, but these folks that are in jail need to be the ones filing the grievances. You don't have to be the spokesman for everybody in the jail.
Yeah.
Do you want to be the spokesman for
Well, I
everybody
mean,
in the jail?
like I don't mind helping them because I know that it's hard for them to make anything happen when they're in there.